Stormwatch 7 meteorologist Rachel Kay here, and as we continue learning outside the classroom, I wanted to bring you to a unique location, Death Valley, California. It's actually somewhere I've been lucky enough to visit on my own, but it is the hottest, the driest, and the lowest national park in the country. And to top it off, it's also home to the hottest temperature ever recorded around the world. On July 10th, 1913, Death Valley recorded a temperature of 134 degrees Fahrenheit. I cannot even imagine that. And as the driest place in North America, it averages only 2 inches of rain a year. There have been a couple of years on record there's actually been 0 rainfall whatsoever. Now, you may not know this, but Death Valley does actually get all 4 seasons. It can be fairly pleasant in the winter and spring, but summer is typically in the 120s in the afternoon, with average overnight lows dropping to a cool 90. I happened to be there in the peak of the summer. I went in July with my sister and we got to feel the extreme heat. I've got a picture of me next to a thermometer reading 121 degrees. Shortly after that picture was taken, it hit 122. And I've got to tell you, you don't understand it until you've felt it. We tried to go to Badwater Basin, which is the lowest elevation in the park, 282 feet below sea level. I had a cup full of water and I made it maybe 20 feet before we had to turn around.
It's hard to describe the heat here, but one way I can describe it is that, everybody has a household oven. Turn that oven onto the highest temperature, let it heat up for a while, and then open the door, stick your face near it, and you feel that rush of that just hot, dry air coming out of your oven. That's what it feels like here.
So why is Death Valley so hot? Well, there's really nothing to block the sun from reaching the ground, and because it's a valley surrounded by mountains on both sides, there's really no way for the heat to escape. And then in terms of it being so dry, there are actually 4 mountain ranges between the Pacific Ocean and Death Valley. And so we have what's called the rain shadow effect, where all of the rain comes out on the west side of the mountains and there's just nothing left by the time you get to the east side.